Hello, damn service around here.
Hey, how can I help
How you doing, nephew? You're a little too late for that, nephew, but I appreciate it. Yes, it does. Me and all my fine little nephews, yes, we do. We do the piece. What's you doing, count, nephew?
Oh, no.
Like I was saying, though, nephew, I want to get everybody some fun.
Okay, I can help you with
He
that.
can help us, that nephew.
I got you. I can help
Yes,
you.
he
I mean, you
can.
trying to
Don't they got free phones?
Yeah, we do. You just got to pay for the first month bill. I'll give you the phone.
Oh, okay, nephew. Now, how much the first one bill?
Okay.
That's cool. That's four right there, nephew. Okay, you four. You five right, nephew. Where he get sick from?
You.
You get
gotta
sick?
put yourself.
I know, nephew. No, forget about our arms there, nephew.
got you.
Yeah, just
I got you. I'm going to get you together. I'm going to hook you up,
Okay.
man.
Let me get my money together. Huh, nephew? They got the money. How much you got there, nephew? I said, I you have some money, nephew. You said nothing. Go about your business, that nephew.
You're a good uncle, man.
Yes, I am. I try my
They don't
best.
make them like they used to, man.
Oh, they don't. They don't.
Okay, I'll get you something.
Okay, look at that nephew.
I
Y'all
got
see
you.
that?
I got you.
Huh? That's a hard working man that right there, that nephew. Y'all be like him. Somewhere. I don't want to work a boot mobile.
Hey, I can hear you.
Oh no, I was just saying how upstanding the boot mobile is. That's why we coming over here, nephew.
I got you a good deal, man. I got you a good deal. It's
Okay.
like the best deal in town right
All
now.
right, nephew.
Total, you're looking at about $250 out the door today.
What's that, nephew?
$250.
Who?
$250.
250. I thought that's what he said, that nephew. He said 250, nephew. Let me see.
$250. I know you got it, man. Uncle like you,
Come
man.
on around here, y'all.
Let me start on this.
Let us huddle up. So we said 250. Yes, we did. Okay, bag up your prayer. Okay, done that. Now that's a quarter, that nephew. You see that quarter? What's that?
Quarter.
That's what I just did, nephew. Right on, nephew. Okay, I'm gonna give you it. That's a dime. Yes, a dime, nephew. You know you gotta teach him as well. Spend for him, nephew. Yes, it does. Okay, now. That right there, that's another quarter, that nephew. What you got?
A quarter.
A quarter, that nephew. Good job, nephew. What y'all laughing at? Y'all want no money, do y'all? Cause I got the money. I got the money. I'll be with you right in a second,
Oh,
okay?
yeah, I mean, I'm waiting on you.
Okay,
you
then,
know.
nephew. What you need? Some time? I need some. Thank you, then, nephew.
Closing like
Okay, then, nephew. Okay, I'm giving you a picture. I'm jumping, nephew. I know you so excited. You're so excited. Get in my phone. Yes, we is. Yes, daddy. Calm down. We gonna get your phone, boy. Yes, we is. Yeah, that pen smell good, that nephew. Smell like a penny. Yes, it does. Okay, we're gonna give you a few more pennies. There you go. Oh, I put a dime in that, nephew. You almost got a dime. Yes, you did. Almost got a dime out of me. Okay, nephew. You big nephew. You big than me, nephew. I thought I heard some. Y'all thought I heard some. I thought I heard some nephews. Okay, now big nephew. Hey, you gonna be. That's about 4 dimes, nephew. 4 dimes, that nephew. How much the man say?
$250. $250.
250. Okay, give him all your money there, nephew. That's about 250. Put it up there. Okay, come on back now.
Give the change.
Just like when they give her money at church. Don't get back. Don't count it out. He can do that. That's his job. Come on. All right, big nephew. Watch out. There we go. 250 that nephew.
No, hell no.
What's the wrong, nephew?
No, you must have misunderstood. That mean cash dollars. 250.
What? That meant cash dollar, the nephew. Why didn't you give him cash dollar? I gave him cash dollar. Look.
No,
that is
ain't
a
gonna
silver
cut it.
dollar.
No.
Yes, it is, nephew.
That is, no,
Look at that. They putting up that more money. Look, we paying extra there, nephew. Yes, we is.
no, 200 and I need cash.
Nephew, we can't do 200.
Okay, you can't do. Okay, let me see what I do.
Okay, that nephew. Now, work with us now. We working on the budget, that nephew.
You do 150.
He say 150, that nephew. He
150,
say
that's a
150.
deal.
You got 150. Come on over here, huddle up, that nephew. Come on. Whoa, stop it, nephew. You talking your breath. Okay, nephew? Okay, now. We got 150. Okay, we got 150. All right, back up that nephew. Now, we're going to add this on top of what we just put up there. Put that one on top of that one. There you go, that nephew. 150. What you need?
You must have went to Beaumont Innovation or something.
I bought my prep, yes I did, nephew.
This-
I was Valley Victoria, nephew. Let me tell you about my prom. I was
Wow.
prom king. Yes, I was. I was duking. You remember in 87? 87. Then you go to both my prep.
Hell no.
Oh.
I went to
No.
Clayton.
Oh, yeah, we never met with them there.
What?
Don't worry about little nephew.
This ain't gonna work. So I need you to take your pennies.
Come on now, nephew. Now you acting a little uptight with these people's phones in your possession now, nephew.
You know what?
This is money. Hard-earned money, I might add that,
I see
nephew.
where it's going.
Where do you see it going? Because I see it's going home with a phone. But you playing.
One phone today, the best I can do is like $27, man.
$27?
Yeah. Dollars.
No, that nephew.
Dollars.
$27. That's all you have to say, that nephew. And hold it, that nephew.
Nah, don't give me that damn change.
No. I'm going to give it to him, that nephew. Calm down. Calm down before you get your ass whooped up in here. I don't need to get it whooped up in here, huh, nephew? Who whoop him? Uncle whoop his ass just a will. Get your ass back there. Okay, thank you. Yes, it is. $27 you say that. Okay, nephew, I guess. You know, you could have been there from the get-go. You know, I can get you in. Way down in the water. I'm trying to find it 20 there, nephew. You say what it was again? Yeah.
27 damn motherfuckers.
I thought that's what it says, nephew. Hold on, let me find 20. Way down in the water.
Hey, Smurfs, y'all get out my store. Y'all get out.
You know what, nephew?
You got all that damn money, and you just...
Oh, you big mad, little mad? Mad or no? Give me some, y'all. But, all right, there, nephew. We gonna go to France. I'm telling y'all how to get these people. They trying to get us, but they can't get us. How gonna get us?
Yeah, I need everything right there in both them hands.
Oh, no, nephew. You the only nephew behind me. Well, it was the nephew behind me, that nephew. Now, hey, let me talk to you, baby.
Money.
Is that all you need, that nephew?
Yes.
Come on, that nephew. I know I got some of that around here somewhere, that nephew. Come on. I just came out of there.
What happened to the grands on grand?
What grand? Come on, that nephew. You know that rent money. That's the bookie money. Now, if I get that money to you, I own the bookie, that nephew. I be out here like you, that nephew. With a gun. Yes, I will, nephew. I can pop out shooting you. Huh? You want to get shot? I don't want to get shot either, nephew. Come put that away, that nephew. Now, let me count the change out for you, nephew.
Change?
Yeah, nephew. They say Obama said it's time for change, nephew. Come on, put your hand out there, nephew. Put your hand out there. That's a quarter there. Hold that. Now, I got more now. There's more where that come from, nephew. There go another quarter. Pay attention to me now, nephew. I'm trying to teach you something. See, if somebody taught you something when you were young, nephew, you wouldn't be out there with that, nephew. Huh? Now, I'm going to give you 3 dimes. Say that again. 3 dimes, nephew. Yes, I am. Give you 3 dimes. Let me get the dime. Okay. That's 3 dimes. How much money you got there, nephew?
1.
Count that.
2 quarters.
Yes, that is, nephew. 2
3
quarters.
dimes.
3 dimes. Yes, it is, nephew.
That's 80 cents.
That's 80 cents. Look, nephew. You just came to me. You didn't have a dime in your pocket, nephew. I gave you some. Huh? Now go and bust up in it, nephew. I'm going to walk this way, there, nephew.
Oh, no. I think you need to come back this way with the rest of the...
Look, you're not paying attention, nephew. You got 80 cents, nephew. 80 cents. Huh? Yeah, got your little head. Yes, it better, huh? That look good. That's a pretty gun, too. Yes, it is, nephew. Now put that down. Look at this. Yeah, it's a dime. That's a dime. It's a dime. Here you go, nephew. I gave you 2 more dimes, nephew. 2 more dimes for your 9. Here, give me that 9. Yeah, that makes more sense, don't it, my nephew? Now, you take your dime, close your hand up, nephew. Now you give me all my money back, nephew. Don't give me all my money back, nephew. Go back, yeah, come on back in that way.